Kelsie just got pooped on.
We have to watch it again.
That's fine, we're moving on.
Animal sacrifice. Traditional Bolivian women's wrestling.
Most dangerous road in the world.
I've failed to see the basket.
Very hard on the hands and the old butt. Down, flat, down, flat.
See ya! That is that. Kelsie just got pooped on. Emergency TP, always good.
We have to watch it again.
Poop everywhere. Take two.
Hi everyone, welcome to Pigeon City, aka La Paz.
It was a bit of a subdued day yesterday after the events of the night before.
Oh, it was a bit of a sad sack, but yeah, that's fine. We're moving on. It's okay. We're trying to enjoy the city, and if Kelsie stops getting pooped on, I think we're going to have a good time.
This is the Witch's Market in La Paz. You can buy potions, little things with spells, lots of animal sacrifice. What are they called? Totems? They assure me that they all died of natural causes.
It's also
Our tour has brought us up to El Alto, which is the sister city to La Paz, sitting high above the city. If you come here on Thursdays and Sundays, you get to visit the market, the biggest market in Bolivia, potentially South America. We'll fact check that. But you can buy anything at this market. I'm talking car parts, I'm talking body parts, I'm talking fruit and veg, and I'm pretty sure we saw an AK-47. Now we have come to the Cholitas Wrestling Stadium, traditional Bolivian wrestling. Very cool, massive twist. They're women. Traditional Bolivian women's wrestling. Apparently it's one hell of a show, like crowd involvement, swinging from plaits, obviously a, what do you call that? Body slams. Gonna be fun.
Hi, it's 20 past 6. Today we're going to Black Death Road, most dangerous road in the world. We're going to go down it on bike. Apparently 300 people used to die a year on this road when it was a road. Now you can't drive on it, you just can bike on it. But they still reckon one person dies every, 5 years?
We'll find out more when we get there.
You ready?
Yeah, I wish my head wasn't so big.
It's a blessing and a curse.
I've failed to see the basket.
So we've finished the bitumen section. We're getting back in the van now, and then we start the real death road.
That until 2007, we used to have an average of 300 deadly accidents every single year, my friends.
So we've done the speed section of the track and now we're on to the jungle section. The clouds are rolling in. It looks like it's going to get muggy.
Jed promised to stay with me this time. Let's go.
little photo stop and to delayer. It's getting warm.
The trip down has been really good. Like the mist has cleared out a little bit. Besides the rockiness is very, very hard on the hands and the old butt on the way down. I think anyone would enjoy it. Like even if you were like super skilled or just like us, like just haven't ridden bikes downhill like this before. I think everyone would enjoy it. It's been good.
We've delayed. It's very warm now. Last little half hour to go. It's hot. Puppy.
How are you guys? Good?
Oh.
How are you?
Almost done.
Yeah, we've only got 8 kilometres down flat, a couple of rivers maybe, and then some beer.
We survived. Stopped at a hotel for a swim. Pretty lush pool actually. What a good day. Gonna need this cold water for my sore bum. Very, very bumpy ride. How's your bod?
There's so bumpy little ride down the hill. Trick is if you stay in the water, you don't get bit by mosquitoes.
It's gonna be pretty lush resort when it's done. Pool's good. No bar yet.
They do have like swings set up at the bar though. I think that's going to be a good time. And a slippery dip. Not a bad little stop.
Now we just got to get back.
See ya!
I was rudely interrupted before, as I was saying. We just have to get back to La Paz after this, so it's another 3-hour drive. I really rate Death Road. It was an absolutely good time. I'm glad they waited till after we finished to tell us that the last time someone died here was March this year. Explains why they made us sign that waiver this morning. We made it down safely, which is the
Name of the game.
It's the name of the game. It's one of our last days in La Paz and we had to go to this restaurant that everyone's been talking about.
It's so popular they called it Popular Cucina.
It's only open for lunch, opens at 12:30. We arrived at 11:45 and there was already a lineup out the door. 79 Bolivianos for a 3-course fine dining.
So good.
Well worth the trip.
Yeah, delicious food, well full. We walked out of there almost round. It was great.
Great way to finish our time in La Paz. Loved it. Loved Bolivia.
I think everyone should come here. It's a nice cheap destination, plenty of things to do and see, and plenty of really good food to eat.
See you next time.
Bye.